What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how to convert a 4K video in Handbrake. So let's get started. So first you need to head over to the Handbrake's website by just typing handbrake.fr, and after that you will see this type of dashboard. From here you need to click on download Handbrake for Windows 10 and later, and after downloading, after when you have been redirected to the home page, here you will see this type of dashboard. From here on the left side at the top, you will see the button of open source above the source button. And when you click on open source here, you will see a pop-up on the left side. Then you need to upload the video that you want to convert to 4K. And after uploading the video, you will see this window. From here, you need to click on dimensions, and after that in the resolution and scaling option, click on resolution limit and then set it to 2160 and 4K resolution, and after that your video will be converted to 4K. So this is how you can do it. That was all for this video everyone. Thank you for watching.